Difference 1. The 2023 Tesla Model Y potentially offers an upgraded battery technology compared to the 2020 version. This upgrade may result in improved energy efficiency, allowing for extended range and better overall battery performance, thus enhancing the driving experience for users by reducing charging frequency. Difference 2. The 2023 model may feature updated software capabilities, including Tesla's latest interface and enhanced autopilot functionalities. These software improvements are designed to provide a more intuitive user experience and advanced driver assistance features, broadening the Model Y's appeal for tech-savvy consumers. Difference 3. The 2023 Model Y may showcase exterior design tweaks that refine the vehicle's aerodynamics and visual appeal. Differences could include minor adjustments to the front and rear facades, such as new bumper designs or reshaped headlights and taillights, reflecting Tesla's commitment to continuous design innovation. Difference 4. There are potential upgrades to the interior materials and layout in the 2023 model. Enhanced materials, improved seat ergonomics, or a reconfigured dashboard layout could provide a more luxurious and comfortable cabin experience compared to the 2020 iteration. Difference 5. The 2023 Model Y could offer expanded color options and customizability for the exterior and interior finishes. New paint colors, upholstery options, or trim choices would allow buyers more personalization, appealing to a broader audience seeking a unique vehicle. Difference 6. An improvement in the sound system might differentiate the 2023 Model Y from its 2020 counterpart. The newer model could feature advanced audio technology for clearer sound and better in-cabin acoustics, such as more speakers or optimized speaker placement. Difference 7. Tesla's emphasis on increasing manufacturing efficiency might mean the 2023 Model Y benefits from enhancements in build quality. This could result in a vehicle with more refined fit and finish, addressing any past concerns about panel gaps or materials. Difference 8. The 2023 Model Y might integrate new safety features or structural improvements over the 2020 model. These could include additional airbags, improved crash structure, or new driver assistance capabilities, reinforcing Tesla's commitment to safety and increasing consumer confidence. Difference 9. The 2023 model might feature an updated heat pump system for better climate control efficiency. Enhanced HVAC efficiency would improve overall cabin comfort while conserving battery energy, particularly important in varying temperature extremes. Difference 10. Potential improvements in charging technology could differentiate the 2023 Model Y. This might include faster supercharging capabilities or greater compatibility with third-party charging networks, making long-distance travel easier and quicker to facilitate. Difference 11. The 2023 Model Y may be offered at different or adjusted pricing relative to the 2020 model, reflecting changes in material costs, production efficiencies, or shifts in market demand. Any pricing adjustments would impact its position in the market in relation to competitors.